Why do 90% of marine species remain undiscovered in the deep ocean? The answer lies in the sheer vastness and inaccessibility of this underwater realm. The deep ocean, which begins at around 200 meters below the surface, is a place of extreme conditions that make exploration incredibly challenging. The deep ocean is a world of mystery. It's a place where sunlight never reaches, creating an environment that is both alien and fascinating. The creatures that inhabit these depths have adapted in extraordinary ways to survive in such a harsh environment. Did you know that most of Earth's life lives in these depths? Despite the extreme conditions, the deep ocean is teeming with life. From tiny plankton to massive squid, the biodiversity here is astounding. Scientists estimate that there could be millions of species yet to be discovered. That's right, over 90% of marine species are still waiting to be discovered down there. This means that every deep-sea expedition has the potential to uncover new species, offering a glimpse into the incredible diversity of life on our planet. But it's not all bustling with life. There are vast stretches of the deep ocean that are eerily silent and devoid of life. These areas, known as ocean deserts, are characterized by their lack of nutrients and sparse populations of organisms. Some parts of the deep ocean are vast, empty deserts. These barren landscapes are a stark contrast to the bustling ecosystems found in other parts of the ocean. The lack of sunlight and nutrients makes it difficult for life to sustain itself in these regions. Places like the abyssal plain have freezing temperatures, crushing pressure, and zero light. The abyssal plain is one of the most extensive environments on Earth, covering more than 50% of the planet's surface. Despite its harsh conditions, it is home to a variety of specially adapted organisms. Living there is tough. The creatures that do manage to survive in these conditions have developed remarkable adaptations. For example, some fish have antifreeze proteins in their blood to prevent ice crystals from forming, while others have evolved to withstand the immense pressure. However, the deep ocean is also home to some amazing creatures. From the eerie anglerfish with its bioluminescent lure to the giant squid with eyes the size of dinner plates, the deep sea is full of wonders that seem almost otherworldly. Many of them glow in the dark. This bioluminescence is not just for show, it serves a variety of purposes, from attracting mates to luring prey and even deterring predators. This incredible phenomenon called bioluminescence helps these creatures find mates, catch prey, and even scare off predators. The light is produced through a chemical reaction within the organism, and it can be used in a variety of ways depending on the species. And guess what? The surprises don't end there. There are underwater rivers. These fascinating features are created by dense, salty water that flows along the ocean floor, carving out channels much like rivers do on land. There are underwater rivers. These rivers are formed by the movement of dense, salty water that sinks below the less dense, fresher water above. This creates a flow that can carve out channels and valleys on the ocean floor. Yep, dense salty water flows on the ocean floor like rivers on land. These submarine rivers can be hundreds of miles long and are responsible for transporting sediments and nutrients across the ocean floor. These submarine rivers shape the ocean's landscape, moving sediment and creating unique underwater features. They play a crucial role in the distribution of nutrients and the formation of underwater habitats. Lastly, let's talk about a mind-blowing fact. The deep ocean holds many secrets, but perhaps one of the most astonishing is the depth of the Mariana Trench. The Mariana Trench's Challenger Deep is the deepest known point on Earth. This trench is located in the western Pacific Ocean and reaches a depth of nearly 36,000 feet. It plunges nearly 36,000 feet below sea level. To put that into perspective, if you were to place Mount Everest, the tallest mountain on Earth, into the trench, its peak would still be over a mile underwater. That's deeper than Mount Everest is tall. The pressure at this depth is more than 1,000 times the standard atmospheric pressure at sea level, making it one of the most extreme environments on the planet. So, there you have it.